What's up, YouTube? Welcome to our investing lab. And today I'm just gonna be talking about three stocks because it's three stocks Friday, man. So yeah, if you like this little series I got going on right here every Friday, just talking about three stocks and stuff, please just do me a favor to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button too. So every time I post a video, so you can be notified every time I post a video, man. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into the video and stuff. So the first style gonna be Connie. Connie, Connie is like a company that make like they make and like glasses like every stuff you look up like got glasses on it and stuff. They want probably they didn't want to make something like that and stuff. Like for example, like the iPhone. They didn't want to make the glasses for the iPhone and stuff, and they don't want to make the screen like for the MacBook. Like they make so many screen. Like they don't want to make the Gorilla Glass for the iPhone and stuff, and they make glasses for Samsung and other company then and stuff. And they not just make glasses then. Like they make fiber. They make fiber like and wire and stuff for communication for like Wi-Fi or like 3G or 4G. But now they're focusing on 5G and stuff. So they have different business mode. And the other one like semiconductor chips and like semiconductor product too for the semiconductor company then, and they also made some glasses for the science company like like when you go in the science lab it's like a glasses then where they be making like they be putting chemical in there to be mixing it and stuff. They don't want to be making that and stuff, so they make a whole lot of stuff. But that's what they do and stuff. They do so many stuff. The only stuff I can tell you is that is you need to go do your own research on it. I'm just recommending stocks to you and stuff, and then you can just go do your own research on it and stuff. But for me, this company right, I'm for right now, like I don't own no share of this company, but I'm thinking about buying it, and they just come out with the earning card and stuff. They just come out with they just come out with they just come out like with earning and stuff, and it was not bad and stuff. Like they be like estimated by 1% and stuff. Like so it was kind of like down, but I think it was down probably on like on iPhone or other stuff now, but I'm not really sure. I really not listening to the car to see like what it said with that. But this company, right, I'm still looking into them, still doing more research into them. I probably might own it in the future. I'm probably might own it, probably might not own it, but I'm just seeing it to see the business mode, and I try to understand how to make money and stuff. And I think they also pay like dividend too. Like they pay out dividends, so that's one of the good. I think that's one of the good things too. Like they pay out dividends and stuff. And the stock is like always going all the way up and stuff, and it just dropped. So I'm just thinking, I'm just waiting for the drop around like right now the price is like 132. I'm waiting for the drop around like 29 something like that, so I can pick it up, and I'm gonna hold it for probably for a long time and see if I can make some money on it. So yeah, so the next stock is gonna be Tesla. Yeah, I should know like almost everybody know Tesla and stuff. Like Tesla, they're like a car company, like Ford Motor, like GM, like they make cars and stuff. And I'm thinking like if you not know and if you not know about Tesla, like they just make cars, like they're making like all type of cars and stuff. They're making a self-driving car, and Tesla is one of the good company too. Like for right now, they just have like right now they're just figuring out like some of the business stuff, figuring out like self-driving car, figuring out like how to and make more product, make more cars and stuff, and ship it out more and stuff. So right now they're just trying to catch up and stuff. But that's like, and also Tesla, like it's not just the Tesla, like they have the sun, they have the energy company too. They have the energy company where like, they sell like sunroof. So like if you like instead of you getting like regular like with regular electric, you can get a sunroof onto your house, and then you can like consume like they got a Tesla battery pack or everything consume the sun, and after the sun it's starting to shiny and stuff. And some people have been giving some positive news about it and stuff. Like some people have been using it, but like, they're just wearing it out like a little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. So that's somewhere like Tesla make money too. And also somewhere where Tesla make money is like they sell, of course, they sell the car and also they sell like merchandise. They sell merchandise and stuff. But I don't think they be talking about that. But yeah, they sell like merchandise, like clothes, battery pack, like they sell like little bits, little stuff now. And they sell like the charger for the Tesla car and also some other stuff now. So that's how they make money and stuff. But I think Tesla, I think they're gonna make a lot of money, and right now they're at a good buying point right now, where if you want to buy it, you can just jump into it right now. Like for right now, I own like I think three share of I own like three share of Tesla. Yeah, I own three share of Tesla right now, and right now they're on a dip and stuff. I think like if they keep going down more, I probably might buy more of them and stuff. Cause I think Tesla gonna worth a lot of money, man. Like Tesla might be like like thousand, it's thousand something or like 500, like in probably 6 or 7 years. Tesla might go all the way up, so I'm not worrying about like a little bit dropping now. If they keep dropping more, I probably might buy another one again. But yeah, that's the other share. That's the other stock I want to talk about. But I'm not. Tesla has so many stuff going on and stuff. They're burning through cash, everything. But that other one you have to figure out on yourself. If you want to invest into Tesla, you need to do your own research and know what you're investing into them. For me, I'm investing into Tesla for the long run, trying to make money in the long run and stuff. So if you're making, you should like think about that, like when you want to invest, like what you're doing. If you're like a short investor, a long investor, everything you gotta figure out before you put your money in there. Cause Tesla is very very tired. It might go up and down, up and down, up and down and stuff. So yeah. So if you're investing, do your own research before you invest into Tesla and stuff. Elanco is like an animal healthcare company. It it's industrial. It design like people. It design like food for companion pet for companion animal and also like food animal such as like dog, cat, and other like pet animal and stuff. And the other one and the companion would be like fish, like pig and like cow like chicken and stuff, like any animal you can eat and stuff. They trying to better it. So if you're gonna eat it, they probably wanna make it. They wanna make like a vaccine or something. They're gonna make it so it can give up more protein. To give up more protein for to be healthy for us and stuff. Try to be able to help our body out and stuff, not to just eat animal but I got like all type of like disease in it. They're trying to like kill all the disease before we eat it and stuff. So that's the only stuff like that's the stuff I like about this company right here. This company is like a newbie, it's like a new company and stuff. They were founded in 2000 in May 8 of 2018 and it went public in September on September and stuff to September 2018. So yeah, but and they're not like a private company and stuff, but they work like they're working out and stuff, trying to like help out, trying to fix everything, trying to make it better and stuff, trying to make it like company like gonna be worth more in the future and stuff. Right now, they're worth around like the stock price is like 131. It's 131 right now. But I think this company right in the long run it probably might make a lot of money in the future and stuff. This company just for the put in your watch list to be watching it is every anytime you probably get some money and put it into it because like this company right here they do a lot of good like this help people in Africa and stuff to like take care of like animal over there and stuff and that's some helpful stuff right there try to take care of the food we eat and they eat a lot of they eat a lot of country like they in like China like in Europe and so many country and stuff trying to like protect and make kill for like animals there and like like pets and fruit animal and stuff. So yeah, if you like the video man, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and leave a comment down below about any suggestion or any stocks man. So that's all for today. Yeah.